Hey everyone, hello and I welcome you to Talk with Art. In today's video, I am going to tell you about some of our live running coding contests and hiring challenges which are going on and which contain a good amount of prizes, and at the same time some of them offer you a job as a software developer. So this is the first time that I am going to tell you about some of our hiring challenges, and I hope you will enjoy this video. So I guess not to waste your time, and let's get started. Open your favorite browser, whatever it may be. I like Edge, और इसमें कोई हंसेगा नहीं, ठीक है? I never use Chrome. So all of that challenge is hosted on a website called TechGig, and basically let's see how much live running challenges we have. So we have nearly 20 challenges, and that's really cool, right? So basically some of them offer you a good prize pool, some of the challenge offers you a scholarship, but most prominently our main focus is on a hiring challenges. So you can see TCS is hiring through this challenge, and at the same time I have also seen that Microsoft is hiring for a full stack engineer, right? So एक एक करके सबको अपन एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. So let's start with the first one, that is the Reshaper coding hackathon. So what it is, so let's discuss about it. So basically what you need to do, like this challenge have 2 attempts and have a duration for 20 minutes. It's basically this challenge have 2 rounds. So first you need to solve the 5 MCQ in 20 minutes, which is based on a reshaper, and then use reshaper to create and submit a solution. So if you do that, you will be eligible for a prize pool of this. Like if you come first, you can be able to get 12,000 Indian rupees. For second it's 8,000, and for third it's 5,000, right? So you can see the rule. So basically this contest has 2 levels, as I have told you, and you have 2 attempts as well. So first one is like MCQ based on reshaper and a reshaper, whatever you need to pronounce it, and the second one you need to submit a solution based on the reshaper, right? So what is the second one? Second one is also similar to that, right? So it is like based on a IntelliJ coding hackathon. Again, I think you need to do the same thing as I have told you, right? So here also you have 2 attempts, and rule first solve 5 MCQ in 20 minutes and use IntelliJ to create and submit a solution. That's it, right? So basically all those things are a JetBrains IDE, and I hope you are using it, and that's very powerful and that's very cool, right? और थर्ड देखते हैं अपन. थर्ड अगर देखें तो इट्स अगेन बेस्ड ऑन दैट JetBrains WebStorm. So again it's same 2 levels, 2 attempts, and the prize pool is like similar: 12,000 for first one, 8,000 for second, and 5,000 for third, right? Now this one is a very cool one, Wired Conquer the Tech Challenge. So basically this challenge offer you a scholarship, and you should have a knowledge about machine learning and artificial intelligence. So basically you can see the round. So this, okay, only 15 days left for this challenge. You can like participate as far as like as early as possible. So basically you can see the main idea. Round 1 will occur on 3rd September. It's a MCQ and idea and submission. Second is a mentoring session 10 to 17. If you qualify this round, you will be able to get into it, mentoring session. And round 3 is a jury rounds, and last the winner announcement, right? So basically this is going to be like a kind of hackathon come challenge, and this would be really cool. So you can explore about this Wired Conquer or anything, right, by Times of India and Hero. So about Hero Wired scholarships, if you see, so 100% scholarship for 3 candidate, and 4 scholarship for 50, like 4 scholarship for 50% scholarship, and the number of like scholarship will be 4, and here it will be 5, whose scholarship was rupees 1 lakh, and that's really cool, right? You can check out about it, iske rules और भी काफ़ी चीज़. And yeah, now comes the main part, the hiring challenges. Like TCS is conducting a hiring challenges, and really it's very like the date is very close, only 4 days left. So if you have a Java skill and I have a experience, industry experience, you can do. And all the TCS, like starting with the MCQ, then goes into a coding round. I hope you know about it. So देखते हैं, we at TCS are inviting and identifying and nurturing emerging talent across the world. That's it is. So candidate will be subject to meeting TCS hiring eligibility criteria in addition to test clearance, right? So basically the skills which they demand are Java, Spring Boot, microservices. So if you like feel comfortable like with it, if you feel comfortable with DevOps, AWS, and those required skill, you can try your luck. Definitely you should, right? So they basically demand Java developer who have a nearly experience of 3 to 9 year of age. So that's not for freshers. So first one is for like you can see first one is a MCQ based aptitude based coding round, aptitude based round. If you clear it, you will be able to like go into the this coding challenges, right? So end date is 23 August, so hurry up fast. Now second hiring challenge. So again like where it is, okay, we have seen this Java developer, and this one is again big data developer. Okay, big data skill. So if you like feel comfortable with this tech stack, you can apply it. Again, the first one is the MCQ based. If you qualified, you will be able to get into the coding round where maybe like questions will be from this skills or data structures, I don't know. So primary skill they want for this job is big data, Spark, Scala, Hive, Python or Java, right? So big data developer and CTC best in a location, that's it. So Hyderabad or Sikandrabad job location. And yeah, again it's not for fresher, it's for like a person who have experience of 3 to 9 year of age and have a required skill. So if you like feel comfortable with those skill, you can try your luck, and I think you should, right? And after that what we have seen this too, and this one is again for like senior J2EE designer and developer. Again it's for Java microservices. So if you feel with if you feel comfortable with those tech stack, you can apply. So I think they haven't provided the salary range, but you can like check out the TCS official website for the salary range and all those things. So nearly 2174 persons have already registered. So the jobs are limited, but I think you should register and try your luck. Again the two round, first one is like MCQ based aptitude based test 45 minutes, and again for like coding round for 60 minutes, and maximum score is 100%, not 100%, it's 100, right? So basically this one is our for Java microservices skills यहाँ पे ये चाहिए. अब if you see after the TCS, now we have 6sense hiring challenges. So what about this? So basically they have only one coding round, number of questions will be 2, and maximum time is 3 hours. So I think again it's not for freshers, it's for like experienced person who have experience of 3 to 8 year of age and have like skills in Java, Python, Django, Flask, React, Redux, RDBMS, microservices. Like qualification, what they want is BTech, MTech, MS, CSIT, that's it, right? So I think you should try this. And how much salary they are offering, let's explore it as well. So you can read about it, right? Nice to have skill like all those things. A full stack engineer at Sixstack will have opportunity to develop new user facing features and those things. So देखते हैं इसका salary, how much salary they are offering. So it's not given, but you should explore it in their official website as well. So again this one is a DevOps Azure engineering challenge organized by Hexaware, and job details like DevOps track engineer plus DevOps track senior engineer, Azure DevOps, like salary best in industry, 4 to 9 year of experience. Again this not for freshers, and they also demand a 4 to 9 year of experience, and they have like one challenge. Oh, I think they after, if you qualified, they have some other challenges for you as well. So skill यहाँ पे चाहिए Azure Cloud, Azure DevOps, Git, etc, etc. So this one is DevOps track engineer and 4 to 9 year of experience, and this one is only for Azure. So job description, relevant experience of 3 years, primary skill ये सब होना चाहिए, DevOps like CI/CD pipes, and must have skill ये तो होना ही चाहिए, and rules. So time duration of DevOps Azure Engineer challenge would be 40 minutes. There are 30 MCQ, I think based on DevOps, right? So देखते हैं अब इसका next कौन सा challenge है. So after the DevOps, this one is for the Microsoft full stack engineer professional, means good experience and good salary. So okay, so they are offering a CTC of 12 to 26 lakh based on experience, and nearly 290 participants have already registered. And what is the last date? Let's see. Okay, 31st August. So you have an ample amount of time. Take your time, learn a lot and apply for it. So basically they have two rounds. First one is for an MCQ round. Time duration is 30 minutes, number of questions will be 25 and maximum score will be 100. And second one is coding round, so only one question, 3 hour, maximum score 100%. मतलब एक क्वेश्चन में 3 घंटे, मतलब क्वेश्चन गोइंग टू बी रियली टफ, आप देख सकते हैं इसको. एंड दिस वन इज कोडाथॉन, इज अ कोडिंग फोकस चैलेंज फॉर हायरिंग स्किल IT प्रोफेशनल टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ ग्रोइंग Hexaware family. So Hexaware is some kind of family who are organizing it. So basically primary skill which are required is .NET Core, and this one is again second one, and like EF Core, XUnit and LinkU. So Microsoft full stack professional engineer, like these are a skill set, these are experience, these are a CTC, and this is a required job locations. Number of opening is 200 and already 200 people have registered. That's quite great, and I think by the time the number of participants will be increasing. So these are a rule. You have a good problem solving skill, and that's really true in the case of Microsoft. Okay, so let's, like, we have explored nearly 5 to 7 hiring contest, and again the scholarship and prizes based on that concept. So this one is again DevOps Python and .NET engineering challenge. So again Hexaware is hiring. Again you have a skill must be of like Python and .NET, and again DevOps track engineer, Python scripting plus one more. Salary best in industry, they haven't tell about the salary. Experience 4 to 6 year of experience, and these are a required job location. So end date is 31st August. So I hope आप जल्दी रजिस्टर कर देंगे. And this one is for a DevOps AWS engineering challenge. अभी last time हमने Azure का देखा था, and this one is for AWS. So if you are not comfortable with Azure, but if you are comfortable with AWS, you can definitely try your luck, and you should be, right? So again, it's not for fresher, it's have a like person who have industry experience of 4 to 9 year of age, and they haven't tell about the salary, and last date is 31st August, and 679 people have already registered for it. So only one MCQ based coding contest. Now Kofax hiring challenges for a .NET engineer. So Kofax is hiring, and I don't know about this company. Let's search about Kofax company, what it is. So okay, so they have a job opening, like it is an American process automation software provider with international headquarter in Irvine, California, right? Okay, so it's a good company, America based company. So if you want to try your luck, you can try your luck here, and they basically demand a person who have experience of 3 to 7 year of age, and last date is 31st August. Now this one is test analysis automation challenge, sorry. So skill Selenium, Java, C#, JavaScript and TestNet. So okay, they have a salary of like 7 to 12 lakh, and that's really good, and must be an experience of 4 to 8 year of age, and there are two challenges. One is the MCQ based and other one is coding challenge. Now this one is Java full stack engineer. Okay, so job location Mumbai, and Java full stack engineer. So basically you can see the skills are like Java, Spring, REST API, Spring Boot, and okay, salary is quite good, 12 to 26 lakh, but you must have a 5 to 8 year of experience. So ये आप देख सकते हैं, and this one is for a data science engineering challenge. So basically they have 20 live challenge, and this one is really cool, and but they want data scientists but have an experience of 6 to 8 year of age. Okay, nothing is for freshers, that's it. So basically they are providing a salary of 15 to 35 lakh, that is the CTC, and in hand maybe vary with respect to the company policy. And this one is site reliability engineering challenge. Any public cloud power Python PowerShell Go. Okay, so if you know AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, if you have those kind of skills, you can apply for it. And basically they are offering a good amount of salary to 18 to 30 lakh, but have experience of 4 to 9 year of age, and job location are varies with respect to like Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, etc, etc. And this one is the 19th one, Java and Java full stack hiring contest. Okay, hiring challenge by Trenter Software Private Limited. So again, I don't know about this company, you can search about it. So okay, so it's a like Gurgaon and Chandigarh based company. They are offering a good salary, right? 12 to 25 lakh with the experience of 2 to 15 year of age. Okay, so this challenge, let's explore it. यहाँ पे कम experience मांग रहा है. So number of opening is 50. Oh, that's it. Oh. And registration is 1630 people. Oh my god, that's that's the thing. Jobs. So okay, so basically job location is on Gurgaon, Chandigarh, and remote, and experience of 2 to 6 years. So if you have experience in Java, data structures, Angular, REST, Vue, all those things, right, all those frameworks, so you can try your luck. So basically the qualification are like BTech, MCA, BCA, BSc, IT, so all of them can apply. So it's not engineering specific, it's contain the everything, every field, not every field specifically from coding backgrounds. And this one is MongoDB MCQ challenge, and that's very interesting challenge. So basically if you are not fresh, like if you are fresher and want to try it, so you can try this MCQ based on MongoDB. So number of questions will be 60, number of time will be 30 minutes, and basically you can watch this webinar to grab the experience like what it is. So first prize is a voucher worth of 15,000, second prize 10,000, and third prize 5,000. Next 20 will be awarded MongoDB Atlas credit. So time duration is 30 minutes. So I think if you have a good relevant skill in MongoDB, you should try this, right? आप भी जीत सकते हैं. Oh, today is okay, tomorrow is the last date, 20 September, so must try before it gone. And our last one, the 20th challenge is okay, Hack Combat 2.0 by Upgrad. So Upgrad is a good website. I think you know about it. So basically they offer you a courses, and they are very like they are offering courses from very reputed colleges. So it's again trusted site, right? So basically Hack Combat 2.0 is a 20-minute skill test for all working professional in the tech industry. So it's not like for experienced person and for fresher, everyone can apply it, any working professional if you are fresher. So basically they are offering you a weekly scholarship up to 1 lakh, and Upgrad will offer 3 weekly scholarship for one of 15,000, 50,000, and two of 25,000 each for a duration of 4 weeks, right, for 1 month. And second is cash up to 1 lakh in an Upgrad wallet, so you can avail that cash to purchase some courses and can upskill yourself. So registered 666 have already registered, and last date is 20 September, again tomorrow, so do fast. So okay, so ये पूरे 20 लाइव कोडिंग चैलेंजेस थे जिसके बारे में मैंने आपको बताया. आई होप यू विल एंजॉय इट. सो आई थिंक that's it, and just go and apply for those challenges as fast as you can. So I hope you like the video, and I will bring some more like those coding challenges, a hiring contest for you. So do subscribe for other videos as well. So thank you and keep learning.